Sprinkle it around your homes, around your corners of your homes, to get rid of any form of attack following you, causing problems in your life. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. My name is Pamela. In this channel, I share spiritual tips, messages, spiritual tips that will be a blessing to you, that will teach you how to do your spiritual work yourself. You doing it rightly, follow the instructions. You see things working perfectly, just like a magic. With your faith, things will turn around for good if you believe. So if you love spiritual tips, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, this will help you greatly to get rid of any form of attack following you. Be it curses, spells, any evil arrow projected at you, or causing issue in your home, causing issue in your working place, causing issue in any areas of your life. By the grace of God, this will help you greatly. So with two powerful cleansing ingredients, okay, this will help you greatly to get rid of any form of attack from your home. The items are found in the kitchen, but in case you do not have it, you can order it online. You can get it from supermarket, you can get it from your local market, spiritual shops as well. All these items are full of energies, positive energies that have the ability to attract all manner of blessings. Get rid of anything negativity and bring in good things to you. Way of bringing good things to you is your own faith. You speaking into it, that will help to bring in good things, but it's mainly to get rid of any problems following one. So you have to make use of it the right way. Follow the instructions for things to turn around for good in your life. Here is turmeric powder. Okay, so this is a spice. You get the powdered one, but in case you do not have the powdered one, you can actually turn the root, the fresh one, into the way we want to use it. They are all the same. I will explain how to make use of the root one if it's the root one you want to make use of. Turmeric helps to get rid of attack, problems. It welcomes good things also, but in today's video we are going to make use of it in a way of getting rid of any evil following you. You have to make use of it rightly for it to manifest good things. Make use of it rightly. Invite the presence of God, because without God's presence, this will not go away. So like I said, it's very cleansing, it's purifying anything evil. If you have any cobwebs, spiritual cobwebs in your home, or maybe you are walking along the street, all of a sudden you see cobwebs, you are being surrounded by cobwebs. There are different kinds of cobwebs. There are normal one that you need to remove physically, but there are some spiritual ones that even if everywhere is clean, you have swept everywhere, you have removed all the cobwebs, but every time you keep on noticing cobwebs. If you notice one like that, you know that affliction is on the way. Okay, affliction, different kinds of attack may come on the way. So if you always see cobwebs in dreams, know that that one is a serious attack. So I've also shared a video how to destroy any evil dream before it start manifesting. So you can check my channel. Okay, this is not the title, but just go through my videos, you will see one. If you notice any dream like that, maybe after dreaming of cobwebs, stand up immediately. If you're on your bed, pray immediately, cancel it, destroy it. Do not just say, I'm still sleeping, let me go back to bed. No, do not leave it and start waiting for it to manifest or not. Do not say it's just a dream, it will not manifest. Whether it will manifest or not, you have to do the needful. Pray against that dream immediately. Cobweb dream is not good at all. It's not good at all. In case you are also walking down the street or walking around your house physically, not a dream, physically, and you notice cobweb everywhere you go, you are noticing cobwebs surrounding you, know that this is a serious attack that the evil ones are projecting at you. You need to do the needful. You need to do total cleansing. Cleanse the environment. Cleanse that environment. Okay, if it's in your workplace, go back home, cleanse the environment in your home. Do not cleanse your office, not your office place. Cleanse the environment where you live. Anywhere you live, that is where you cleanse. I will tell you how to properly do it for it to work very well. So another one you have to get is salt. Many people know it on this channel that I use salt a lot, like especially the sea salt. So salt of any kind, be it sea salt or ordinary salt, it helps to cleanse, to remove evil, negative energies in the environment, in your home, in anywhere. It gets rid of anything evil, anything you must have attracted to yourself, or the one that evil one have placed upon you, making things not to work for you, or making you to pass through different kinds of afflictions. So if you have gotten your turmeric and sea salt or any other salt, this is what you have to do. Get water in a bowl, or get water in a bucket, just like this. So you have gotten it. You have to add a little of turmeric. A little goes a long way. Do not say, let me add too much. No. If you add too much turmeric, you will end up staining the walls, staining anywhere you want to sprinkle it. That is how it is. Look at the color. It stains a lot. So you just add little, a pinch or half teaspoon is enough. So when you have added it into any quantity of water, the next one to do is to add salt. Add a little salt, like 1 tablespoon. The salt should be more than the turmeric. After adding it, you have to mix it. As you are adding the items, you have to be praying to God to remove any evil surrounded in that environment, anything causing problem, affliction in your life. Then as you are mixing it as well, continue praying. Be doing everything, with prayers. So after when you have mixed together and prayed into that water, the next thing you have to do before you make use of it, tell God to forgive your iniquities, that in any way you have sinned against him, knowingly or unknowingly, that God should pardon your iniquities. I promise not to go back to your legal ground, those evil things that is making people to afflict you with evil, or making attack to multiply. You promise not to go back to them again. So when you are done, then start sprinkling it around the environment. Sprinkle it around your home. Not just to sprinkle it everywhere. No, just like in different areas. Do not sprinkle it and pour water everywhere. No, just like scanty. Be doing it sparingly, not too much. So as you are doing it, also be praying. Tell God to destroy any evil in that home, anything that is working against the power of God in your life. Tell God to destroy any evil thing that is working against your prayers. You are praying, is as if your prayers are not answered. As if God is not even hearing you at all. Tell God to wash it out. That I want from today, as you pray, let your prayers be answered. That evil arrow should return back to sender. Anywhere attack is coming from, that God should return it back to sender. Be praying as you sprinkle it everywhere. Be praying as you are doing so. If you always experience attack in your office, also do this thing. After doing it, then also personalize it. As you are doing it anywhere, this is spiritual. Anywhere you are staying, even if it's in your place of work, by the grace of God, no evil arrow will penetrate you. No evil will be for you, because you have already done it where you live. And so that mercy of God will follow you anywhere you go. It will work anywhere you go, because this is spiritual. So go on and try it, okay? And you see marvelous things happening after this. Get rid of attack, any form of attacks, cobweb attacks, any kind of evil arrow. Sprinkle it around your homes, and you see wonderful things happening in your life. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. Remain blessed as always. I'll see you in my next video.